Common German expressions with kommen, which means to come. Zu spät kommen, come too late, which means to be late. Zur Sache kommen, to come to a thing, which means to get to the point. In Frage kommen, to come in question, which means to be an option. Zu einem Ergebnis kommen, to come to a result, which means to reach a conclusion. And ums Leben kommen, which means to come around the life, which means to die or to perish. Gehen, which means to go. Spazieren gehen, to go for a walk. Einkaufen gehen, to go shopping. Schief gehen, to go skewed, which means to go wrong. Zu Ende gehen, to go to end, which means to come to an end. And pleite gehen means to go bankrupt. Common expressions with bringen, which means to bring. In Ordnung bringen, to bring in order, which means to fix or sort out. Zum Lachen bringen, to bring to laughter, which means to make someone laugh. Auf den Punkt bringen, to bring on the point, which means to get to the point. In Gefahr bringen, to bring in danger, which means to put in danger. And hinter sich bringen, to bring behind oneself, which means to get something over with. And the last word is lassen, which means to let something or to leave something. In Ruhe lassen, to leave in quietness, which means to leave something alone. Wissen lassen, to let know, to let someone know. Fallen lassen means to let fall, which means to drop something. Sich Zeit lassen, to let oneself time, which means to take one's time. And loslassen, to let loose, which means to let go.